guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Subin Sajan here. Today I am going to share my experience while traveling from Kerala to London Heathrow Airport. I'll put in the description if there is any requirement documents that you need to print out. Let's go to without any delay, let's go to the video. And if you have any doubts, please do comment and I'm happy to clear that. So if it is too long, I'll be putting it in part by part. Please do watch that. So it's the complete procedure that we're doing in the airport, and till I land in the London Heathrow, I record everything inside it. Without any further delay, let's go to the video directly. Let's go.
So there is a 2-hour drive from my home, so I left around from 2:30. So I reached at 4:55 at the airport. Is it Trivandrum International Airport? So that's me leaving. That's the entry position as we enter from the main gate.
So guys, before we are going for checking, this is inside the Trivandrum.
Make sure you have all the documents printed out.
And these are my baggages.
Not in the e-copy or in the phone. You have to print
I'm waiting for my counter
the
to open.
RT-PCR test, the day 2 and day 8 test, and the locator form. Before flight from here, you have to print all these documents. So there's still time for my counter to open.
Thank you. Guys,
This me, I haven't.
Locator form print ചെയ്യണം അറിയത്തില്ലായിരുന്നു. വെളിയിൽ ആൾക്കാരെ വിട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട് ലൊക്കേറ്റർ ഫോം പ്രിന്റ് ചെയ്യിപ്പിക്കാൻ.
Still waiting.
പെട്ടുപോയി ഗൈസ്, പെട്ടുപോയി.
I printed everything else, not the locator form. I printed RT-PCR test, negative test, the booking reference, the flight booking reference,
locator form, RT-PCR test, day to day
everything
test.
I could printed, but not the locator form. You have to. This is a mandatory, and you have to check with the airport. There's still time for my flight, and these are my packages going. As you can see, the weight is okay. So the next will be security checking up. After we going up, there is security checking up coming next, customs and security. So you have to leave all the wallets, bags, electronics items, stuff. They will remove all the shoes, electronics item stuff and everything in this area. So the next thing is only waiting area. I told my parents to go after I cleared the security checkup. Now I'm waiting for my flight. The flight is at on time. So you have to print the RT-PCR test negative result, the locator form result, and the day 2 and 8 amber list rule result as per the UKVI rule. So the rule will change, so you have to keep updated. Next I'm going for boarding the plane. So these are the baggages I had in my hand. You don't have to hurry in this, since this is from Trivandrum to Delhi flight. Please make sure your baggage is not hitting any passengers that are sitting inside of the chairs. And this there they're explaining.
इस विमान में 8 आपातकालीन निकास है, 2 द्वार सामने, 2 द्वार पीछे.
Air India services are good now, then the taste better. So this is a dinner, 1 chapati and rice with potato curries, pulao something, and 1 palpeda and 1 yogurt. That was my dinner for the Trivandrum to Delhi flight. So this is I reached Delhi. While I reached Delhi, the Air India agents were waiting for us because we are half an hour late. So there will be international transit. There is a separate lane. So I have to get flight from
It's
Delhi
1:30,
to
guys. It's 1:30. It's already late.
London. Flight from Delhi International Airport. This is the Delhi International Airport in Europe. So we reached 1:30. It was supposed to reach at 1 o'clock. Immigration, and there's a long distance walk, guys. We are at the arrival gate 1, and I have to go for 14th, gate number 14. That's a long way. We still
Yes,
have
come
time,
on,
so
our gate
they
number is
have
14th.
escalators, they have speed walkthroughs as well. So
It's 9 to 14.
so
Hey,
there is
shoot.
lot of signs and everything is there. So no need to tension. Now the boarding the plane from Delhi to London. That's our gate, London 14B. So that's the checking. It's 2:22. The plane will take off at 2:30. We are on time. Since both of my flights were Air India, they were waiting for us. There are some other flights, passengers as well in my Trivandrum to Delhi flight, like to Frankfurt, San Francisco, and everything. So they are explaining all the things in here, mandatory things. So that's my seat. So I got a window seat. So at 2:46, around 2:40, my flight got taken off. It's a Dreamliner, Air India Dreamliner, I guess. It's a big flight. So you can see I got the window seats for free. I'll put the cards how to get the window seat for free in the tab. I booked the seats through Google Flights. I got it for cheap rates. So it was mesmerizing view from up there. As you can see it's night at 2:30 a.m. It's not the night, it's morning 2:30 a.m. So I have a total 49 hours of flight from Delhi to London. Since the Afghanistan airspace is closed, we have to go around. You can track your flights as well in the Google. So you have to wear face masks, face shield, everything in the flights. You can only take off that while eating breakfast or dinner. So the time is 3:23. Our supper came. So the food and everything was good. It was taste good, and we got chicken filled sandwiches and potato fries and one dessert, almond cake dessert. So this is the infotainment systems available in the aircraft. So there are a lot of movies in the headset that they provided at the stage. So there are different genres: Hollywood movies, Bollywood, Tamil, Malayalam, international languages as well. So keep you occupied for the 9 hours long journey flight. The window. So that's the view from the plane. Half of our flight time, the window will be tinted black by the air hostess. Once they remove the restriction, we can see. So the digital is London time and analog is IST, Indian Standard Time. So they serve breakfast around 5:40 p.m. Breakfast around 5:40 a.m. So this is our breakfast. So it has cutleries and everything, spoons, tissues, finished, added mayonnaise there, one croissant. Everything is good, soft and chewy. It was good, and they gave butter and jam as well, and one yogurt, fruit yogurt was there. So this is our main meal. It's a non-veg. I always choose non-veg. It's a non-veg. It was chicken sausages with omelette and potatoes, baked potatoes, chicken sausages with omelette and baked potatoes. It is everything good. Air India has nice services and the food and was good. Tastes better. It was hot, so no problem in the food. It was good. It was good, guys. It was really good. I didn't expect this much this from Air India since everyone is doing very negative comments about Air India food and flight. The services and food were good, and the food was hot as well. It is enough for your flight time. My stomach was full after eating all this. The omelette and everything tastes good. So we move on to the constant. I finished eating all the things that they gave. So that's the fruit yogurt.